Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make leche flan with gelatin whole egg. Gather ingredients now and preheat a water bath for steaming the flan. I'll guide you through blooming gelatin, combining whole eggs smoothly, caramelizing sugar without burning, and gentle steaming for a silky set. Follow simple timing tips and the one-way technique for no separation between custard and top. Stay relaxed, and you'll get a glossy, rich leche flan that slices cleanly and delights guests. Bloom gelatin first by sprinkling 1 tablespoon into 3 tablespoons cold water and let it sit while prepping. Crack 4 whole eggs into a bowl and whisk just until blended. Mix in 1 can condensed milk, 2 cups evaporated milk, and 1 teaspoon vanilla, then gently fold in the bloomed gelatin. Strain the mixture to remove bubbles and set aside for caramel. Keep everything warm but not hot to prevent cooking the eggs early. Caramelize 1 cup sugar over medium heat until amber and pour into molds, tilting to coat evenly. Pour the strained custard into molds and cover tightly with foil. Steam or bake in a water bath for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until set but slightly jiggly in the center. Chill the flan at least 4 hours or overnight before unmolding for clean slices and best flavor. Serve with extra caramel on top.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.